Welcome to the Art of Resume, and today we are going to be changing your profile photo. So to begin, you need to make sure that your profile photo is square. So you have your profile photo here, and oftentimes in a MacBook or a PC you can go in and do this editing yourself. So we'll make this photo square. And then save it. Next, we'll go to your template. Select the photo, actually double click, and you'll notice a format picture window will open on the side. Go to the bucket, and then open your fill option. Go down to your picture source under insert, and then from here you can choose your photo and then insert. Again, you want to make sure that your photo is square to begin with, and that's how you insert your profile photo.